Good day everyone, this is my presentation. Web Application System Architecture. Web Application System Architecture determines the structure and interaction mechanism of web application components. It is like a model that shadows how all of the species user interface, application logic, databases, and middleware system together so that they can be combined to provide functionality as well as they look and feel that make for a good user experience. Network architecture design. Network architecture is the strategic activity of planning out the structure, components, and connecting principles for a network. It's about more than merely machines, devices, sensors, and other things. Together, it enables better security, efficiency, and opportunities for innovation in managing any business or organization, regardless of what they do or how big they are. Thank you.